Hello, welcome to Come Draw With Me. Today we're going to draw Hang from BabyBus. Hang is the hippopotamus character, so I'm going to start with the eye. The eye is quite similar to the other BabyBus characters, but here Hang is a bit different because it has a different face shape compared to Mimi or Momo. So make the eye attached to the jaw and at I don't know what's it called, the cheek basically, that's what makes Hang hang. Oh, that's actually the nose, yep, and now the eyebrows. And this is, I think, a bit more difficult than Mimi and Momo, but if you just follow my movement here, I think you get there as well. And Hang is also wearing a Christmas hat because, well, it's Christmas. Well, it's not Christmas, but still feels a bit Christmassy in it. And Hang's hat is a bit more festive than the others. And don't forget the ears as well. The ear comes out here. It's a bit more detailed. When I was drawing it, it was a bit more difficult and I had to be a bit more careful, but the results also that much more interesting, I think. Because Hang is wearing a hat in the shape of a Christmas tree, along with all of the ornaments and all of the decorations that's usually on the Christmas tree, so that's what makes it a bit more complicated but also more interesting. And now the teeth. Hang is very cheerful in these pictures, which is not always the case in the videos. And a bow tie. It looks more like a ribbon that's being worn as a bow tie because it's Christmas. And he's carrying a present. For whom, I wonder? Is it for Mimi, Momo, Kiki, or Miu Miu? That looks a really nice present. Okay, this also makes it a bit more difficult than the others, but it's a pretty standard shaped present, but to get the perspective right, you have to be careful. And now the legs, one after the other. One is a bit on the air because Hang is walking very excitedly to bring the present to special someone. Now let's shade the mouth. And now the outline of the whole character. There we have it. They're almost done. Now I'm just going to add a bit more white to the eye. And we're done. Hang from BabyBus, bringing a present, wearing a Christmas hat. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.